Right, tonight's dinner is going to be Spanish spaghetti bolognese. We're going to use pork and beef, bit of chorizo, bit of red pepper. I've bought these lovely little green sweet peppers from the market, 4 cloves of garlic, nice medium sized onion, nice medium sized courgette. I'm using fresh thyme and some dried oregano we had in our garden back in the UK. Just to let you know, we're on anchor for this one, so it could get a bit bumpy, you never know. All the veg all prepped, ready to go. Going to use my trusty wok over here. Oh yeah. Right, here we go. Going to add the onions. Love a good onion. To my trusty wok. Get that cooking up there. All is lovely. Bacon cooking a bit. Now add the garlic. Lovely bit of garlic. Right, let that sweat away a bit. The onions and garlic. And then next will be the beef and pork mince. Right, now I'm going to add the lovely beef and pork. Beautiful. Whack it in. Oh yeah. Happy days. Right, let that brown off a bit. Once that's browned off, I'm going to add the lovely herbs. I decided to add some mushrooms and all, so I'll whack them in a bit later. This is a great way of adding thyme, fresh thyme. You just get the stalk and put it down like that, and the lovely thyme comes off. Like that. Just comes off. Beautiful. Now the lovely dried oregano. A couple of sprinkles of that. Right, it's going to get very bumpy now. We've got loads of waves coming in from a boat that's just gone speeding past, and the wind's peppered up and all. Here we go, waves are coming. Oh my days, here we go, here we go, here we go, crash bang wallop. Whoa, whoa, and it's all sliding, here we go, smash bang wallop. Smash bang wallop. Here we go. It's past. After that mad crazy waves, after some lunatic went past creating big waves, I'm going to add the veg now. All those lovely veggies have gone in. We're doing a good stir. I'm going to add the chorizo. Gives it that real authentic Spanish flavour. I think I'll add a little bit of paprika. Did add a bit of beef stock to that. Give it that extra kick. And now I'm going to add this tomato frito, it's called. It's like tomato paste, but a bit not so strong, don't have to add a lot to it. A bit like that. Give it a good stir. When you're adding stock, don't add salt because it's already got it in it. Add a good bit of pepper, black pepper. Love a bit of. As I added the stock cube straight to the dish, I'm going to add some water to it now. That's it. Yeah, you want to cook it out for about half an hour. Should be done then, should look lovely. And there you go, my lovelies, just look at that. All ready to go. Here we go, on anchor, as you can see. And the finished spagbog, Spanish style, with cheddar cheese, or a cheese of your choice. I prefer cheddar, or we do. Have that.